2004 General Electric box fan. Model 106620. Here's on high. Media. This also features a thermostat control, which my O2 Galaxy did not have. If you want to watch one of my videos about my 2002 Galaxy, model 4733, go to my YouTube channel, Cat number 5, and you will see my videos. It's medium, low, and off. Side fan has a hose on the side for a stand. Has the wall on the other side. Okay. The back of the fan. I love this right here. I thought that was always cool. And it even features his feet, which is awesome. This I got at the Goodwill for very cheap. And yeah, so that's my 2004 General Electric box fan. Hope you enjoyed this video. Comment, subscribe, and out.